Hello, I just received this Inbox X2. Yeah, this is from Infinix. This is they said as an upgrade from the previous version X1. So actually it's mostly the same. If you can see here, yeah, it's called X2, made in China. Color is gray, and it still use the i3 because I buy the lowest one. They have three options actually: i3, i5, and i7. i7 is the most expensive one. They call it Infinix Pro as well. And then, if you can see that they still use the same CPU i3. This is the 10th generation, not the latest, because I cannot say the latest because now they have 12th generation of i3 or i5. But the other other notebook or laptops such as Acer, which is a little bit like $100 more expensive, they give you the 11th generation of processor. So RAM is 4 gigabyte, and unfortunately here we cannot upgrade anymore because it's already soldered in the motherboard. And the storage also, the previous one, Infinix X1, you can upgrade it. For the RAM you cannot upgrade, but storage you can upgrade. But X2 neither can be upgraded. So you buy 4 gigabyte and 256 gigabyte SSD. That's it what you get. And also in X1 you have 8 gigabyte, but here only 4 gigabyte. And the display is the same. It's a little bit smaller than previous one. This is Indonesian version but made in China, as you can see. Okay, I will open this now. Yeah, I just cut this Infinix, and this is really newly open. And this is the cover, and then yeah, we have laptop here. I have opened this one, the case, but previously I have the case. And then it has the charger, 45 watt, and then the USB, yeah, Type C USB, which is a good one, I think, very strong one. And then we will see what we have with the laptop. Yeah, it says only laptop with instruction and guarantee card. And here, if you can see that it has Type C here, which also function as the charger, and then USB Type A, and then HDMI, which is very important for student, for the teacher, lecture, where we can also worker who want to present their work here. And then other side we have, wow, this is great because nowadays we seldom have laptop with SD card reader, and then we have Type C, another Type C here. This is audio, and then the USB. This is for security. And let's open what it has. Well, let's see if we can open it with one hand only, because there are a lot of questions whether you can open this laptop with one hand only. Let me try. And yeah, it's work. Yeah, I can open it with one hand, and if you see, this is Core i3. The keyboard is nice, well placed, and then yeah, the touchpad is also large, so it fit with my hand. And yeah, it has the power button here, and this is KWERT, yeah, so the kind of American version. And yeah, nothing special, I think, from this perspective, because just like most of the laptop, what's special, I think, if you see, sorry, I can bring here, yeah, here they have 320p camera, but with two lights here. So it is because, you know, nowadays during the pandemic, a lot of people using Zoom or that kind of meeting application. where we need the front camera, and sometimes we stay in the dark, so we need front camera to to be a little bit not in the dark. And yeah, this is very good adding value, I would say. And then that's from the back, from inside. And then below here there is, I think, fan here, ventilation, and not so many screw here. And yeah, this is made in China. So yeah, I think they have two speakers here, if you can see, on the left and the right, which is great. I think we can try later. Now I will install the laptop. I will install this because they said it has already Windows 11 inside, so I will try to install, and you will see later what it looks like. One more things before I show you the installation. Actually, this laptop comes with 4 colors option, so red, and then blue here, and then gray, and green. But I could choose either of this one, but I prefer the gray one because yeah, it's kind of the standard. I like the actually the green one, but yeah, I think because we are not used to with different color of laptop, because usually either black, white, or gray, so I prefer to take the gray one. Okay, let's have a look at the installation.